Hey everyone, Matt here from AnalyzerPro, and I am thrilled to announce that our new book, Fundamentals of Road Traffic Collision Investigation, is now released and available on Amazon. So this book is a culmination of work of experts from Austria, Germany, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America. And we've all worked together over the course of almost 5 years to bring this project to life. You might say there are already that many books about collision investigation, right? However, what we found is the one piece that is missing is books for beginners, for the fundamentals, for people who say, hey, I want to work in this field of work and I don't know where to start. And we hope that we can give these people a head start, but also maybe those who are more experienced but want to go back and have a look, like, where does this equation actually come from? What does it actually mean? How does it work? And I think with this book we have found a way to explain context in a non-sophisticated way. So no matter what your background is, you can read this, you will most likely understand it, and you can put it immediately to use just to make your work easier and your results better. Thank you so much to the amazing team who has worked on that project for such a long time, and I really hope that you will find our book useful and that it will contribute to future generations of crash reconstructionists in a positive way. And you can find it now on Amazon. Links are below. The book is available in English and German at the moment. We are working on translations to other languages. So if you want to support us, of course, please grab your copy and please share this with your friends. And again, Fundamentals of Road Traffic Collision Investigation, published by me, Matthias Schmidt, written by a bunch of really great and smart people. You can find it on Amazon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.